Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the music or sound from someone's TikTok video in your TikTok video. First, let's open the app. As you can see here, I'm on the browser screen, and for instance this video right here, you would simply click in the bottom right hand corner on the disc that you see spinning around, and after you have selected it, you will see where it says use this sound, and you can simply select the camera right there. You can select the camera right there, or you can add the sound to favorites if you would like. As you can see, he's using the Billie Jean song, and then you would record your video, and that's it. It would be recorded with the same sound or song.